Today we're unboxing the brand new Vivosun AeroDrain D12. This is a dehumidifier. If your tent's been feeling sticky, this little unit is about to become your best mate. So first impressions out of the box, everything's looking really nice and securely packaged. Nice and sturdy and thick, they feel really good. First impressions are good. It does have a 2-litre drain capacity, however we can plug up a hose so we can constantly drain up to 12 litres a day. Straight out of the box, this is a clean design, compact body, and it can rip up to 12 litres of moisture a day. Perfect for keeping mold away from your flowers. You get the unit itself, temp, humidity probe, and a drain hose so you can continuously run all the time. It's on caster wheels if you want to roll it around your room, or you can have it in your tent. What I love about this is it plugs straight into the Vivosun smart system, so you can check your humidity from the couch instead of babysitting in the tent. This is also going to be perfect for anyone who's looking to cure their flowers perfectly and really slow down that drying. You know, sometimes the longer it takes, the better the outcome.